lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome to your reading. So this is for February of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, pwede po kayong sumali. That's interactive, of course. So, pwede kayong magtanong. Pero kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede rin naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi kayo makaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. That's totally a different reading. So, Sagittarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire sessions or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Sagis. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sinasabi mo, tapos na ako sa pag-please, no? What I am trying to do in here is probably don't care anymore, no? Kung ayaw mo ka, edi wag, no? And this applies also to friends, families, of course, romance, no? For the most of you here. Kasi what I am seeing in here is you have been pleasing people for quite a while. I think that you have been badly hurt, you know, with people. No matter what you do, it felt like parang walang effect, no? Well, let's say in the past, probably kahapon, last week, no? Last month, last year, nandito tayo na kailangan, kumbaga, we're pleasing people to an extent of pinapabayaan natin yung sarili natin, no? Hindi tayo nagsasalita just to make other people happy. Ngayon, what I am seeing in here is you have been questioning a lot lately. Parang sinabi mo, tama pa ba ang ginagawa ko? No? Nakukuha ko ba itong ginagawa ko? Now, with the Three of Swords, what's crossing here is the Eight of Cups. Siguro meron tayo ditong traumas, no, from the past. So traumatic yung mga nangyari sa atin na parang feeling natin lagi tayo naiiwan. Siguro nagsimula ito sa nung nag-aaral tayo. Best friends natin sa classroom, no, nalipat ng sections, nalipat ng ibang school, medyo masakit, no? Or pwede rin itong sa trabaho, no? Kasama mo siya, katabi mo lang kahapon, hindi na pala nagpaalam sa'yo, wala na pala, no? So, kind of, lagi, ang feeling natin dito, why people do not care about our emotions, about our feelings, about our well-being. With the Moon card, clarifying is the Justice. So, ito na nga, dumating na yung part ng sa mga tanong mo. Sino ba ang parang laging talunan? Kasi parang feeling mo dito, lagi akong talo. Ako yung nag-i-invest ng emotion, no? Parang feeling natin, people don't really care about us. People don't value us, no? Ngayon gusto mong i-change, something here you want to happen. Probably you're also standing for yourself right now, no? Parang, mga shit kayo, no? I'm brushing myself up, no? Or I'm brushing myself off. Ayoko na dito dun sa part na ako yung iiwan. Hindi naman sa ikaw yung dapat mong iwan. Ang ginagawa mo na lang dito is parang balance lang. No? Kung ano yung nakukuha mo, yun yung binibigay mo. Let's say, if people around me is giving me 50% of their attention, affection, love, energy, probably, hindi ko naman siya babawasan, but I will not exceed doon sa mga natatanggap ko. With the Six of Pentacles, it felt like reciprocation, but a reciprocation or transactions on the same level, on the same amount of level. Now, with the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, it should be ngayon, with the Ten of Pentacles, from the Six of Pentacles. Ngayon, kung ibibigay niya yung Ten of Pentacles, why not, no? Or ibibigay niya sa akin yung 100%, bakit ipagkakait ko? Now, with the Page of Pentacles in here, kahit meron ka, let's say, kasi kung makikita mo, hawak naman niya eh, di ba? Yung Pentacles, hawak naman yung abundance. This person can give it if they want to. But with the pages, ito yung kumbagang, I am looking towards this, sabihin natin, direction, na ano ba yung pwedeng ibigay. Para kasi meron ditong guides, no, na parang sinasabi, or this can be their intellect. Something, peacock is somehow we consider magical. As you can see, the peacock is also looking at this Page of Pentacle. Parang sinasabi niya, ibibigay mo na naman ba? No? And with these 3 flowers in here, 4 flowers in here, medyo scattered siya. Siguro ang gustong gawin nito, okay, pwedeng ibibigay ko paunti-unti, depende nga sa aking matatanggap. Now, hindi naman talaga madamat si Page of Pentacles. Ang nakikita natin dito is, meron siyang feathers. So, which means that this person can fly, that they can do it lightweight, no? That they can give it lightweight, all willingly, buong puso, no? Kaso, yun nga, because of the traumas from the past, medyo hindi muna siya, kumbaga, nag-o-obserba nga, di ba? Nag-o-observe ako kung ano yung makukuha ko, pues yun yung ibibigay ko with the King of Pentacles in here. See, ang ganda ng changes, and almost, it's almost the same person, right? From the pages, no medyo binata pa siya, to a part ng pages. So parang sabihin natin prince, no? To becoming a King of Pentacles. Same clothes, di ba? Same hairstyle. Magkaiba nga lang din ang kanilang medyo itsura, of course. The king grew, no? Nagkaroon na siya ng beard. So, ibig sabihin, if this connection of mine last, takes time, why not I can give, no? Why can't I give these pentacles if I am receiving? Kasi makikita mo dito medyo konti, no? Or medyo maliit. Ngayon dito malaki. Why not give it? Ngayon makikita mo, nasa na yung mga green stones here. It could be emerald, what have you. Kasi makikita mo, bakit wala na dito? Kasi makikita mo na dito naka-shield pa, no? Or parang kasama ito. Ngayon, medyo, nung lumaki na siya, nandun sa crown, makikita mo, no? Or probably, ito din siya, yung maliit na to, ganun lang siya kalaki, no? Ito siya, ayan, no? Yung maliit na yan. So, ibig sabihin, I can give you more, no? Kaso, what is cooking is with the Seven of Swords. Medyo sabihin natin, we're faking a bit, no? Faking in a way, hindi pinaplastic mo yung tao. With the Seven of Swords kasi is sort of a suit with an intention of a thief in the night, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi mo dito, kung gagaguhin mo ako, well, pues, kala mo nagagago mo ako, pero ikaw pala ang gagaguhin ko. No, if you have some bad intentions with me, hindi na ako yung dating person na I'm going to please you. I'm really brushing I'm really standing for my right. Something in me changed. The World card. As you can see, this World card, the person, she's actually looking back, no? This may be a baton, but some other depictions of the World card, this is a sword, no? And baton can twirl. Kung this is a wand, pero sabihin natin baton, di ba? Hinahagis ito, and something can, parang can turn. Wag mo akong, kumbaga, wag mo lang akong gagawa ng masama, or else baka pwedeng ibato ko sa ito, or things may turn around, no? Kaya nga the world card dito, something in me changed. I am evolving, no? I think, so this is you, what's cooking. No, this is hopes and fears. Ayan, sumobra tayo. So, yeah. So this is hopes and fears. Nakikita natin dito with the Page of Pentacles. Parang sinasabi mo dito, I'm going to harvest, no? Hindi na tayo, ay tama pala. I'm going to harvest. Hindi na ito yung dating sinasabi nating bigay lang ako ng bigay. Ngayon, kailangan ko naman bumawi, no? And with the Knight, at saka happiness, Nine of Pentacles also signifies happiness. Knight of Cups. So ngayon medyo unti-unti, no, ang ating journey, whether it is a new person, a past person, a current person, and you're never going back. With the Six of Wands, it felt like I have a good news for myself. I have something for myself that will benefit me, because at the end of the day, no, I promised myself not to be the same person anymore. And I have some good news for those people who's going to treat me right. And I have probably also some good news the other way around. If you want war, then I'm gonna give you war. I am just here. As you can see, parang there are people here na parang nasa shadow. They're looking at this at hindi nila ma-attack, kasi nga parang these person have their guards up, no? So, this is your reading, Sagittarius. Bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign ng iyong person, I wanna let you know, dun po sa kabilang channel, sa Babaylan TV, again, nagla-live po tayo doon, that's interactive. No, meron po doon mga questions, or pwede kayong magtanong. Of course, siguro may delay, kasi para siyang first come, first serve. Kung sino makapagtanong, sasagutin natin, no? Kung medyo late kayo dumating, syempre yung tanong nyo medyo nasa baba. But then again, kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na tanong, pwede po kayong dumiretso na dun sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dun link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, the name, how much per question, the number, QR codes for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. That's a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So, let's check the zodiac sign, shall we? I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius ito, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn, Cancer, Libra. Yeah, so this is your reading, Sagittarius, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.